What is going to happen on 25th June 2026 that has gotten the attention of the entire banking sector? Why is nationwide campaign being planned by bank employees? Is this only about pension or there is much bigger issue behind it? Could this become a turning point for the future of the bank employees and retired? Stay with me till the end because today we shall uncover the complete story step by step. So once again, very good morning to you all. I am Vikas Kumar Singh, inviting you all on your own channel Bank and Fininfo. Today is 18th June 2026. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, this is the right time to do it. Now without wasting any time, let's begin today's important update. Chapter 1. What's actually happened? On 29th May 2026, Bank Employees Federation of India issued an important circular. In this circular, BFI announced that 25th June 2026 will be observed across the country as a demand day on social security. But the first question is, why has BFI announced this program? What is the real reason behind it? Let's understand the entire story. Chapter 2. Where did this decision come from? The decision was taken during BFI's Central Committee meeting held in Simla on 23rd and 24th May 2026. During this meeting, the Federation decided that issue related to the social security should now be raised at the national level. But what are these issues? Let's discuss them one by one. Chapter 3. The first demand, pension updation. Imagine working in a bank for more than 30 years and after retirement you receive a pension. But that pension is not updated from many years while the cost of living keeps increasing. So is that fair? BFI believes it is not. The Federation is demanding immediate pension update for retired bank employees so that their pension reflects current wage settlements and rising living expenses. Chapter 4. Second demand, opposition of NPS. Now we reach on the another important issue. BFI has once again opposed the National Pension System (NPS). But why? According to the Federation, NPS is market-linked pension system and the retirement benefits are not guaranteed. Therefore, BFI is demanding the restoration of the defined benefit pension scheme for the bank employees. Now, let me ask you, do you think that the old pension scheme should return? Kindly share your opinion in the comments. Chapter 5. What about the temporary and outsourcing employees? Here is another important question. Are the permanent employees the only people who keep banks running? The answer is of course not. Temporary staff, outsourcing employees, bank correspondents, BCs, all of them play an important role in banking services. But do they receive the same social security benefits? That is why the Federation is demanding better social security, pension benefits, healthcare facilities and fair employee conditions for those workers. Chapter 6. Cooperative bank employees. The campaign is not limited to commercial banks. BFI has also raised concern about employees working in cooperative banks. The Federation wants a uniform pension system and better social security and benefits for them as well. Chapter 7. What will happen on 25th June 2026? So what exactly will happen on 25th June 2026? According to the circular, BFI has asked to organize hearing campaign bags, holding demonstration, organizing meetings. The aim is to highlight issues related to the pension, retirement benefit and social security for the employees across the banking sector. Now the biggest question, will this nationwide demand day make a real difference? Will pension updation finally receive attention? This video is based on the official circular issued by BFI. So ending of the session, thank you, thanks.